Hi guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how to connect Claude AI with the Unreal Engine 5.8 using MCP Server connected to VS Code. As you can see, I created a cube, a blue cube, and it's applied automatically here using sample code using Claude, as you can see. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, open the editor. Go ahead in your project, select your personal template and create. Okay, now let's go here to edit plugins and search for MCP. Delete this one, search for API, and enable this one, remote control API. Now you need to restart and edit. Hit restart now. Okay, after that, close this and go here to edit the preferences and search for this one, model context protocol, and enable this auto structure. Load this. And now we have to add some comments here. Output log like this. And go here. Okay, the first one, this guideline you can get in the description. Okay, we done step one, open the editor, and plugins and other, and restart. Okay, after that, you have to move step number two. Let's copy this. Copy. Go right here. Reset. Start server. As you can see, the server is started. This server is fine. Now, let's copy this command. Okay, fine. Generate content. Okay, this copy and paste here. Now let's create folder in VS Code, rename it point VS Code slash mcp.json. In the Unreal Engine project, this folder is created. Okay, after that, we have to copy this and go here, paste. As you can see, it's pasted. I think it works good. Now, and the second step, fourth step, sorry, is to go here and open VS Code. After opening VS Code, go here, Files, open folder, and go to Unreal and Projects and choose my project number 4, and hit Open Folder. Okay, now press Ctrl, Shift, and P. Choose List of Server, Unreal MCP, and Start Server. As you can see, the server is started correctly. Okay, this is the first step of the guideline. Open folder. Okay, your project, and you get this point VS Code folder lives. This folder, as you can see. And run the server. We have run the server. Now, let's move to the next step. The next step is to install Claude. Let's go ahead to extension. Okay, Claude Code. Cloud Code or VS Code. It's installing right now. Okay, as you can see, it's started. Okay, let's go right here. This is my VS Code. If you have web version new session, okay. Let's ask it anything, for example, hi. And credit balance is too low. This Claude Code, you need a paid subscription to use it. But we don't have money for this. Okay. What the alternative is to go here to this continue. Okay. And let's delete all of those charges. Okay, and download this Claude code, as you can see, using Olam. You can get the guideline on the description video tutorial. It explain all of this. Okay, after that you can go here to local and go here, get this Claude. Okay, as you can see, this is my Claude Haiku 4.5. You can get it on the channel, on the link was on the description, how to download and install it and move it to VS Code. Okay, now we have here this interface of the Unreal Engine. Okay, let's return right here and send this one. Okay, I want to tell that using the Unreal MCP to create a blue cube in the scene. Okay, when I send this, the blue cube should appear as here. Okay, let's test. Okay, let's press on. Now Claude is analyzing. Okay, hit no. Allow. Okay, now we'll execute the script, programming services, create actor blue cube, 1 on 1, the blue cube will be visible under Unreal and generated outliner as blue cube. Let's see. Okay, it doesn't exist right here. Okay, let's tell it generate blue cube. You create the cube is with it's created. Let's be apply the blue material. Let's create blue material. Let's see under Unreal Engine. Okay, as you can see, the blue material is created right now. Okay, position 00100 game slash m blue. Let's see. Okay, let's see. It's created or not. Okay, this is position of our cube, as you can see. This blue material. Let's see here. Okay, select the throw, for example, 00100. Okay, this is the position, and let's search for blue. Select my blue cube, and let's see. Okay. Another rectangle, another blue cube, another cube, another cube. Okay, let's create 3 times per this AI, it's not applied to blue material. We have to apply it manually. I don't know why. Okay, let's tell it. Okay, Control Z here, and let's see. Okay, down on blue material is silent and blue. Okay, let's see. Okay, as you can see, it's assigned here, the blue material. Okay, make it full time peak. Okay, let's see Unreal time. Then the blue cube is 2000 bigger, it's scaled 100. This is my cube, as you can see, it's 2 times big. This is how to use Claude AI in the Unreal Engine 5.8. Okay, thank you guys for watching. This is all for this tutorial.